Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki, and today I am doing a Ganpati festival decor at home using fondant, some toothpick, a cake board and a bit of haldi powder. We wanted a eco-friendly Ganesha for our home, and I'm just using a pre-market bought fondant. It is easily available, and I'll try and link that in the description box for you. For fondant, you need to smoothen out the dough as much. The more you need, the more it becomes soft and smooth. Fondant is usually used in cake products, like in any kind of a decoration and stuff. You will see the use of fondant. So I've taken a big round ball and of fondant, and I'm trying to smooth it out to make a tummy area, and I'll add 2 toothpicks on the top to fix the head. With gentle pressure from your fingers, smooth out all the bumps and edges of the body. So my phone battery died, so I couldn't record that the head part. I didn't realize also. For this, you have to roll a pear-shaped ball of fondant and taper the end, one of the ends, to a desired thickness, and smooth out the top as much as you can, and roll the thinner taper end of this to make it a snout or the trunk. Just pierce 2 holes at the end of the snout or trunk to make the nostrils, and with 2 small fondant balls I'm just shaping ear of the Ganesh. I'm using toothpicks to insert it in and hold it in the position, but with water also it stays. Actually, the weather here is very humid and I was not sure if it will hold it in the shape, and plus I just wanted to finish the decoration and everything within an hour. I didn't have too much time, so I just wanted to finish everything in an hour. So that's why I'm using toothpicks. Otherwise, water also is absolutely fine medium to stick a fondant. Now with pressing gently with the thumb, I have made the eyes area for the Ganesh, and now I'm using 2 sausage shapes to shape the hands. If you're liking this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel, as we post regular videos, almost 2 to 3 videos each week on home decor, home organizing, and festival decor, birthday decors, and I share my tips and tricks on almost everything related to daily life. So we are trying to smooth out as much as possible. It was the entire thing was done in a jiff. So we're doing it as fast as possible because I didn't want to miss on the uh, timings absolutely, so we were just running as fast as possible. Now again I'm taking some fondant, and I've taken a bit of haldi here. I would recommend using haldi powder than instead of kachi haldi, because it just made the fondant really sticky. uh, so as you can see, it's sticking into my hand everywhere. So how I made the base, it was just a sausage that I rolled and placed the whole white portion of the entire idol like that. Now I'm making a turban, just rolling a big sausage and rolling it from the starting. And if you see, there is a bottom inside part is a hollow, so it sits absolutely perfect on top of the head. Just adding a bit of design to the feather. My daughter gave me a suggestion that there should be a small feather on the turban as well. Now I'm adding some 2 feet. Adding the danta of Ganesha. Just adding 2 cloves to make the eyes of Lord Ganesha. Here is the idol ready. Now we are just making a Musa or the mouse. My daughter is making the mouse for me. She helps me a lot with all my videos, and she's over the moon excited for each and every video that we do. So yes, and she's very wonderful in her art and craft, very creative. So I almost forgot that he needs a snout. She reminded me that okay, there is a snout that's missing, so she quickly added a snout. And that's her mouse. And our Ganesha is ready. If you're liking the video, please do give this video a thumbs up. Now we do the backdrop for the mandir. I have used silver lace or zari and cut some paper squares of different colors. Over here I'm using just yellow and pink that was on hand with me, and I'm sticking with the help of sellotape. And now we are hanging this on the wall. I already had a pre-drilled nails on the wall which I used, but this is such a lightweight decor that it can easily hold with the help of sellotape as well. And this is how the final look of my mandir was looking. I added some flowers and some four topiaries that was already there with me. This entire decor that you see here was done in an hour's time. So I hope this might have given you some inspiration and ideas, and do let me know how you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.